Hey Melissa, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and helping me to get this video over to Jeremy and Holly. So today we're just going to go over a few things that will help with your visibility and help you guys to get more leads. So as you can see, we are on your website and you have a nice looking website. Let's see. Got a little bit of content here. It looks like you service multiple counties: Shasta, Tehama, Siskiyou, Lassen, Butte, Glenn. Okay. You have a variety of different services. Oh, I love the community involvement. That is so important for us, and it just makes us want to help you guys even more. This is really great. I love that. Okay. So, Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They have little robots called crawlers that go and index your website and all of your pages, looking for your content and your keywords to be able to rank you for them and get you in front of your customers. So the rule of thumb is your homepage needs to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, going after those buyer intent keywords that your customers are actively searching for. Since a big portion of your business is emergency services, it's even more important that you're able to be found quickly and easily when those emergencies happen. And so having a good content and keyword strategy is going to help you get there and get you in front of those customers. You're going to want to make sure that every individual service that you guys have are broken down into separate pages. These are kind of broad, so you're going to want a separate page for every type of restoration, remodel, construction type services that you have. And you're also going to want additional pages for the major cities with any search volume in all of the counties that you service to make sure that Google can put you in front of those customers when they are searching for your services in their area. This is one of your top competitors in Reading. This aesthetically isn't a great site, but they're doing a lot of things right. They have the separate pages for their services and many of their service areas. They have a ton of content throughout their website. Unfortunately, they're not really going after those buyer intent keywords. There's a little bit here, but there is no repetition. So they're not actually, a lot of the keywords they should be targeting are not getting picked up. But they do have a ton of content. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to have a lot more content. You're going to need the additional pages and service area pages, and you're going to need to work on those buyer intent keywords, the keywords that customers are actively searching for your services because they may not know the name of your business. This is Ahrefs. It's a program that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your domain rating, that's the rating for your entire website, is a 3.4 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not have a lot of trust in your website. And that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You need a lot of backlinks, and not all backlinks are created equal. So you need high quality, authoritative backlinks that are related to your industry, and they need to be do follow backlinks. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors in each of your service areas. It does look like majority of those backlinks are being pushed to the home page, which is okay, but it's not really helping to help you to get indexed for keywords or to be found for your services. You really need backlinks attached to those keywords, and they need to be going to all of your service pages and service areas. Because you don't have enough content, you're only being indexed for 18 keywords and are only receiving about 18 people on average per month to your website. So you're missing out on quite a bit of traffic. There's thousands of potential search volume that you're missing out on. If we look at your competitor, like I said, they have a ton of content, but they haven't focused it correctly. And because they don't have a lot of backlinks, they have a really low score too. And so there's quite a few things they don't have right. But because they have more content, they do have a few more keywords, and they're not getting any search volume. So they're not doing what they need to be doing. But the reason why they're outranking you is because of those extra keywords that Google does not have for you. And so when I looked up those specific terms, I couldn't find your website, but these guys were number one in organics. So to beat these guys, it's really going to be super easy. You just need to have the content. You need more backlinks and better backlinks. And you need to attach those to your keywords so that you can rank for those. Backlinks are when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that's linking to you, to your services, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power it's going to give you. See, this website has zero value to you. This website here, even though it's a rank of 89, is a no follow. So it's not actually sharing the power with you. If it was a do follow, it would share this power and help you to rank even faster. But we need to remember that these backlinks do need to be tied to your keywords so that you can rank those keywords and be found when those emergencies happen. And this is the Google Maps or Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in this top 3 because 30% of people come directly to the maps and don't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're sending those customers to your competition. You want to be here in the top 3 for each of your service areas and your relative keywords. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business, the address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Dex, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your service areas and keywords. And you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give us some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. SEO is our specialty, so if you would like help getting some of this stuff done so you don't have to do it yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.